Hey peeps, FX right here, the prophetic analyst. So this week we are going to analyze price for the week of the 8th to the 12th of July 2024. So without further ado, let's dive into the business of the day. So we're starting off with gold. Okay, XAUSD. For XAUSD last week, actually we were quite bearish. Okay, we were looking for bearish sentiment on the gold for last week, but price did not play out as we anticipated. Rather, price we had this bullish move to upside, and apparently we did not also trade gold for last week, so we did not send signals. Neither did we take any trades on gold. Okay, we only had few trades on USDJPY and NZD which really gave us the best of setups. Okay, which we made over 3,800 plus on the trade just for, so which I'm going to show you somewhere around on this video. So moving on gold, we have seen for last week gold has been very much bullish. The gold has been very much bullish to the upside, and price has actually broken this resistance level to the upside, and can see, and this also happened due to NFP news release, the fundamentals of the, so price actually closed bullish for last week. The massive bullish engulfing candle, if we are looking at it from the daily time frame, you can see price has been super bullish for Friday and even for the week for last week. Okay, so what are we gonna look forward to on the new week, on the coming week? So we'll be having more like a sell to buy scenario for price. We have some zones here. Okay, and we also have our trend line, okay, which we have here our first touch and our second touch somewhere around there. So we would be anticipating price to break either of these zones, either of these three zones here, two zones rather. So that will give us a buy to sell, or a sell to buy scenario. Price coming to this first zone, the push continuations to the upside, and so price will come into the 2374 area, continuations the 24 to 8 area. Okay, so if price does not respect this area, then we can have more like a deeper retracement into our 2361 area, then look for more bullish content. But overall bullish on gold. Okay, so even though you may have some meantime sales, it be a sell to buy scenario for DXY last week. Okay, we also predicted some bullish sentiment on the DXY, which price respected our zone here, the second zone that we had here. Price came into our zone of a 105, which was part of the zones that we were looking for bullish to upside, and also on price reach 100% retracement level. That was when we let our top price all the way to the downside. So if you missed last week's video or you did not see how it played out, here is our next level that we should be looking for, the level of 05600. Okay, 05500 thereabout on this zone, then it puts continuations to the upside for the bullishness. So thereafter, before NFP price has been bearish thereafter, and so we have also seen that price has cleared some nice market structure. For most of you that know me quite well, I'm more of a market structure trader. Okay, I trade price action structure and with chart patterns too. So we have price has currently more like broken out of this area on a new week. So let's look at it from our daily time frame. If here, so what we'll be looking for now, the price has broken through that zone. Look left, more of some imbalances prices. So have some break retest 104 area, 10 all the way to the very much bearish on the DXY. If price even has to retrace a little bit, have a buy to sell scenario. There are also tendencies that price could come back to respect the key level here, which we had first touch, second touch, third touch, right? Price respecting this zone in which I marked out here, bearishness to all the way back to the downside and half the way down there, 10. So for next week, let's in for more of bearishness on the D. Up next is the Euro USD. For Euro USD, price has been also bullish, okay, because if we are very big on price correlation, okay, you also understand that if you have bearishness, the opposite is going to happen on Euro USD pace across board. So since we had some bullishness, we had some bearishness, rather more of bearishness on price closing on the DXY, hence why we have been having all this the upside. And as you can see, price for last week, when we had some range here, thereafter price later broke out of that range, and there was a retest back on that range, then very bullish then. Okay, so where is the next possible area that we should be looking out for trades from? The price is currently coming back to retest the zone of the 1.078 area. Okay, so we should be for retracement in then the push continuations to our first level of our 1.08 level, then we can go all the way to our 1.09 area. Okay, so more like a sell to buy scenario. Price can even go as deep as our 1.08. That area fails, we go to our 1.07 upside. So we'll be contribute euro is a more bullish. Up next is the GDP USD. For GDP USD has been also a very nice prediction that we did for last price was around here. Price also respected that trend line in which at first touch, second touch, third touch, price gave us that sell to 100% retracement, which we also spoke about on our last week video. If you not watched the last week video or you think we are capping, here is the has retested there. Price is currently on that zone. So we are looking for more push continuations to our first level, one 1.260 area. Then we can go up. Welcome back. I hope you can see how we predicted the GDP into but price did not really go all the way to the downside on it. Price after fulfilling our key level, price reached from the back to where is level target areas should we be looking for the coming weeks. Okay, so we should be looking for sell to buy scenario, price coming back to retest this area here, this demand area here, then and go all the way back to the upside of the 1.55. Okay, a sell to buy scenario from the 1.255 to the upside. Up next is the USDJPY. For USDJPY, said USDJPY and NZD was best of spreads for so we can same levels that we're looking for price to come into this sell retracement side. Price apparently also respected those areas, and a lot of you sent me how the, even without even mentorship, just using our free content here on also making money from this. So that you keep in touch with us by always watching our videos and also supporting by clicking the subscribe button, like, and also drop a comment on the comment section like this. So moving forward on USDJPY, last week we're looking for more bullish continuation. Price was super bullish for like 2 days. Okay, 2 days till Wednesday. Okay, 1 day Wednesday, it was very much bullish, just like we waited. So if you missed last week's video, here is the video.
Can have a push from this zone to the upside
Come
of
back. So had that bullishness on the USDJPY for last week, and this week, should, like we can always see, price has been very much bullish, giving us higher highs, creating higher highs, higher lows. Price has been very much bullish. Time that you have most massive bullish continuous trend, be it bullish trend or bearish trend, we're also expecting price to press. Okay, you know, price moves in a waveform. Okay, expansion and also a contraction. Okay, so now is the time for price to also contract. Same process. So we have also in the same process, you can see price is giving us that pattern, which most of you may not be able. Let me draw it for you guys. Okay. Have our left shoulder, our head, the right shoulder right here. So I already have my level marked out here. So what I'll be looking for is price break through that neckline of the head and shoulders. Okay, test that neckline again, then a push continuation to our first level is at 1.598. So you should know that trading shouldn't be something very complex. Make trading simple so that anyone that our videos can also have understanding about what we are doing. Okay, so we have a chart pattern which is the head and shoulders there. So we should be looking for price. Patience enough. Trading is very much about patience. We have to be patient for price to break through that neckline, or we can even think. Okay, so having break test our first level, which is 159 area, and we can go all the way as our 1.5. You guys can. We are always trading from one zone to the other. Okay, so last but not the least, NZD made us the most of money for last week. Made over $1,000 plus on just this single trade. So we also made in return Telegram community. So if you are not on our free Telegram community, you want to click on the link on the description below. Join our free Telegram community. There we drop free educational content and see. Currently, so for last week, price I showed you guys the neckline. The same head and shoulders that I'm showing you guys today on Usdjpy. Something happened last week. So price came back to retest. You can also see the line here, the break retest all the way to the downside. So if you did not watch last week's video, think we are capping, here is the video.
me. When price opens, all I just have to do is look for my entry setups in candlesticks, okay, and put my stop loss all the way in this high, target my 100% retracement level, then we can go all the way downside,
All right,
okay.
welcome back. I hope you can see how we predicted NZDU to precision. So let's also look for the best possible areas that we can take trades from for NZD USD for this week. Okay, so we'll be very much bullish NZD. I'm going to mark out two little levels, okay, two little key levels like so, that here like so. Okay, so what we'll be looking for, either price to continue bullish from here, okay, with little to no retracement from here, okay, all the way to our 0.62 area, or we could have scenarios that price may retrace a little bit, our 0.61 area, then our bullish continue upside. So that will be it for NZD and this week. Right, so do well to mark out these levels on your PC or your trading view, whatever device you're using to trade. And also, if you like this kind of content, please do well to smash the subscribe button, like and subscribe. We're also looking forward to having over 2,000 subscribers here on YouTube. So that could also be possible after watching. And also, if you have any forex educational content you love us to drop, please do well to drop it in the comment section. See how we can get it like so for free. See you guys next week.